What is up? How's it going? Welcome, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, BLUECREW, and all the communities out there. What's up? Welcome to another late night DLT live stream. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a pro trader, and I'll never tell you what to do. How's it going, guys? Appreciate you guys jumping on in, smashing the likes. Sniff, XRP Joe, Van Life Biker, Legendary, Captain Redbeard, Steve Risen. What's up, guys? Appreciate you guys tuning in. You guys are probably wondering, where's the Tiger? I'm wondering that myself. I actually tried to load it up for the stream, and the face rig technology I'm using, or software, whatever you want to call it, app, isn't working. So the Tiger literally has taken a day off. We'll figure out our Tiger situation. Hopefully it's not something that's a long-term issue. Without a doubt, that would be very, very sad. So hopefully the Tiger's having a nice little vacation. Tiger quit. The Tiger just couldn't take it anymore. What's up, man? By the way, let's put up a Jitsi here. If anybody wants to jump in on a Jitsi meetup, here's the link. Feel free to jump in, BLUECREW. We're just hanging out, looking to hang out on this Monday night on a late night DLT live stream. No news to go through. Really, we can look at some charts. We all know the market is red, man. We all know XRP is below the 70-cent barrier now. That's kind of concerning. But if you zoom out on the daily, look at the charts. We're nearing the end of this run towards the downside. It seems like, at least according to the RSI, the stock RSI. And as we've seen over time, XRP selling pressure has just gotten less and less and less. We're right around the golden retrace zone on a short-term low-to-high Fibonacci retracement here on the daily. This is a healthy retracement in my opinion. We were expecting a retracement right around this. You guys were there at that stream when we were talking about hitting resistance at around this area, and selling pressure certainly did start to come in at around this time. So am I still bullish on XRP? Hell yes. If we confirm a higher low right here, at a perfect retrace level, the golden retrace level 61.8 or 78.6, as long as we can confirm a higher low, I think we're still in good hands here. People could be all doom and gloom as they want, but until we can, until we start breaking down past 60 cents, 58 cents, and really crashing down towards like 40, 30, hopefully we can catch on to it before then, but we're still at pretty critical support areas right here. We pivoted at a really crucial one in January. Sure, February wasn't too much fun, but march on. March on. 6 cent incoming, Van Life Biker. Wouldn't be surprised, man. The world seems like it's going all over the place. Tiger is hibernating, for sure, Sniff. By the way, guys, please let me know how the sound, the vocal, the visual, all that stuff's coming through. Bones TEP dropping the $10 bomb. He's got the forever shades on. Bones, you're the man, dude. Like, I just appreciate you, Bones, man. You bring such a good vibe every time, dude. And you're always, yeah, thanks for your support, man. Thank you. He's up in a tree making a bloody mess on the market. Yeah. Anyone else stuffing another bag today? Oh, certainly, dude. I definitely, after I saw this chart, I was like, you know what? It's not a bad time to pick up some more XRP. Getting close to the turn on the stock RSI right here. Selling pressure is starting to ease up. Let's zoom in a little bit more into the 4-hour. Right? We've had a dramatic sell-off in the past 16 hours. It's been terrible, but as you can see here, bottom of the stock RSI, we could be ready for a pivot, guys. And this is, these are the type, like, what we were talking about, accumulation areas there at the 60-cent range, which is already going to make us legends for people who accumulated there. This could be a type of, dip to be buying right here that could make some legends right here. So, I'm not trying to hype it up so much as like, oh, you guys are missing out. It's going to turn towards the upside for sure. I'm not trying to give absolutes here. But if it does, man, we're talking about like going up to the dollar range, back to the $1.20 range before our next resistance, which could be, and creating a newer high, right? That's what we want to do. Establish the higher low and then create a newer high, which would bring us about above $1, right? If it's any amount of a pump that this one recently got, yep, that takes us to about the same range, right? It's a little bit shorter than what we had here, but if we can get a nice relief rally off all the selling pressure that we've had, we could be in good hands right here. Sound is good. Appreciate it. So I'm not too worried about XRP, you guys. Everybody's panicking. Not too worried, man. I mean, it was way worse. According to the charts, it was way worse in July of 2021. It was way worse in January of 2022. Right? Thanks for the late night stream. No problem, man. I wanted to hang out with the Blue Crew. I had a good stream with y'all earlier today. Once again, guys, let me invite y'all here. I just wanted to say my spiel with what's going on with XRP because I know that's what a lot of people care about, what's going on with XRP. You zoom out, it's going on in the whole market. First off, the whole market is experiencing this, so it's not just XRP. It's not something XRP has done, right? It's not something Solana has done. It's not something ADA has done. It's not something Link has done or Atom, right? It's the whole market's going down, and the whole market's going to probably be going up together. Next week, it's looking like, right? If we get a turn on the stock RSI here, next week should be tremendous, man. March on. I'm out. Legendary. No worries, dude. Appreciate you stopping by, Legendary. Oh, he's saying I'm out. I'm done with XRP. I'm out of here. I'm selling. Fuel prices getting ready to skyrocket and XRP will come to the rescue. Fuel prices. Okay, I got it. It's Ukraine. Yeah, it could be all that stuff that's going on, or it could have just been a natural retracement. Like, God, I should pull up that stream, but it would just take too long to try to find it. But on February 8th, February 9th, around this range, we were talking about profit-taking level, right? Because we saw it just go up in consecutive days very bullishly, and we were thinking, you know what? We're starting to hit some resistance levels, some overhead resistance levels. We were pointing here, right? So we were saying, hey, according to the charts, it looks like, and that's when we can take the emotion out of it. It's saying good profit-taking level. Turned out it was, right? Now, it looks like it's clearly oversold and could be at least due for a relief rally that could take us back up to about 75 cents in the short term. But if it's a real breakout towards the upside and a continuation towards the upside, we're going to be seeing possibilities of a higher high. This journey could very well take until mid-March or so for it to really come into fruition here. We've heard dates of, February 2020 or 2022, so maybe something's happening tomorrow. But also, March 8th, right? We've heard things about March as well, so that could be something to keep an eye out for, but could be along for a ride right here of a nice 60. If you're buying the dip today, and it does indeed pivot from here, and we do go on to make this newer high, could be a nice 60% gain. Shorter term gains, if we just go up towards the resistance level, that's a 12% gain. That's not too bad. Good luck making that with your stocks in a year, right? 3/20/22 or 3/22/2022 or all about the 22222s, right? Crude oil almost $100 a barrel. Crazy. We heard March 8th multiple times though, right? From different sources. That's what makes March 8th pretty appealing. We've heard it in the commercial before, right? Signaling probably a tragic event. Funny enough, the last time we've had some, life-changing tragic event that happened was in March of 2020, right? March 14th. Well, look at this, actually. Around March 8th was the time that we started dumping really hard. Let me zoom in there and see what was the exact date and candle that just crashed it to the lows there. Yeah, March 12th, it looks like. 311. Oh, 311. Yeah. The band 311. Mean Tomato is Dex trending number 4. It's the meanest meme goodbye called and programmed for 1000x. Tony, eh? I appreciate bringing the awareness. We'll sign you up with the Blue Crew for now. Not my type of thing, but it's not too bad to bring awareness about projects. I'm not too sure about it, but sure, sounds good, man. Sounds good. Welcome to the Blue Crew, my man. Alright, so once again, the Jitsi link's in there if anybody wants to join in and just hang out with the Blue Crew. Did I drop it in the chat? Oh, I didn't. I haven't even dropped the Jitsi link. Here we go. Jump on in, y'all. Whoever wants to jump in and have a little chat. I'm just looking to stream until about 9 o'clock, 9:10 or something like that. We're just looking to hang out with the Blue Crew. Appreciate y'all tuning in. So once again, not too worried about XRP at this point. I think it's still, it was way worse a week or two ago, right? Near the end of January. Hard to look at the charts right here, looking at the reds. Everything's looking like an opportunity right here. In terms of cryptos that are up in the past 24 hours. Not many, right? Data's been doing some interesting things. Let's look in the past 30 days to see who's been the top gainer in this kind of bearish trend. Maps has not been doing too bad, 479%. Maple, 100%. Juno, still doing pretty well considering its dump. But yeah, not much else to be looking forward to here. I feel like the pre-CV technicals don't correlate with 2020 and beyond. Sniff, I feel you, dude. The thing was, it was actually around this point. Where is it? The Great Conjunction right here. I think anything pre-Ripple SEC lawsuit and post-SEC lawsuit is a different story, right? The Great Conjunction that we were so excited about back in, what was it? December of 2020, right? 12/21/2020. Ripple and SEC lawsuit happened, right? Also, the astrological importance of that date, right? And once again, zooming out here, guys, we're just doing a heavy look at the XRP charts in this stream. Still around the 78.6 since the CV19 drop, right? Still around that 78.6 area. We went to our high, came back down to our low, and bounced right off that 78.6 area. Prime time right there. We try to go back and revisit. We created a higher low, and hopefully we can start creating even higher lows from here and start working ourselves up to a pretty damn good pump that could take us above $1, right? March on. I feel like cyber pandemic would be hilarious. Everyone just loses their money. I mean, dude, it would be hard for people to get back to trusting digital currencies if there was something like that. Animal54, sub G, sub Blue. What's up, Animal54? Good to see you. Van Life Biker. Appreciate you tuning in. What's up to the 11 viewers? Thank you guys so much for your support. Always good hanging out with the Blue Crew. And once again, I dropped the link for the Jitsi if you guys want to jump on here, have a little bit of a chat. If not, it's all good. I just like promoting Jitsi because it's built on Akash, right? Decentralized cloud marketplace, open source project, censorship resistant. Gotta love it. Whenever you want to stream and talk to someone, video conference, it won't stop you. Right, guys, sup, animal? It's a Monday night, y'all, with the Blue Crew. Late night DLT. In the NFT marketplace, you guys know I like me some Magic Eden. I'm going to definitely be looking into sologenic decks a little bit more. Definitely looking like an up-and-comer right there. And especially, you know, your own, yours truly XRPL, right? Sologenic decks. Obviously, XRPL has its own decks as well, the XRP decks. But, you know, sologenic doing its thing. Gotta definitely look into it. Yeah, there hasn't... I can't say there's, like, a tremendously good new release. Like, some of these featured artworks are pretty interesting that are under a total 1 soul. But I'm not into, like, the repetitive art. I like art that has, like... It's not profile pic. Mostly has a unique artwork to it, right? Each NFT doesn't... It's not like just a copy and paste type of... And then just shift around the features a little bit type of NFT. Those are the type of ones I'm looking for. It's funny, when you just look at it as a whole, it's like they all kind of just like mesh together. Sad to say, because I'm not trying to bash all these artists who put time into creating these things, is that they're all so similar to each other. Let's go to the Launchpad. Let's see what they got going on. Joystick Founders Club. Joystick and matchmaking app for gamers to find friends. JFC perks include opportunities to earn percentage rev, free subscriptions, exclusive NFTs. Not a bad idea. Joystick Rev. Founders Club, a matchmaking app. So they're gonna have phase 1 that's already ended, phase 2 which is already ended, and then public sale is going to be a max of 5 tokens. It's going to be ending. So they're already minting right now. You can mint them. Oh, interesting. For 1/8 Sol. Do you guys think this could eventually sell for above 2 Solana? Do you guys think this could eventually sell above 3 Solana? I might look into this one. I mean, it's a 3D based one. It could be a scam, though. Could be a rug on that one. It's hard to find another portals, you know. I've heard about Lux Real Estate looking pretty good. All these metaverse plays are pretty interesting in the Solana ecosystem. It's just trying to find the ones that are actually building something that could actually keep lasting. It looks like Portals is really building something. It looks like Enviro is actually building something, right? Checking in, evening time. What's up, Frogedelic Research? Good to see you. 208 million in NFTs stolen on OpenSea. Crazy. I've never been a really big fan of OpenSea to begin with. So, yeah, that's insane that happened, though, man. I mean, we're still in such early days of NFTs that a lot of things are going to get sniffed out. A lot of criminal activity that's probably going on. Without a doubt. I saw a pizza one. Willow Smith follows Pizza Gate-ish accounts on IG. Oh, interesting sniff. I read the other day it's 18,000 plus cryptocurrencies now. What the hell? Yeah, Van Life Biker. 99% of them are gonna probably be going away, my dude. Yeah, the auto-generated NFTs are not my favorite. Yeah, Redbeard, totally. Sologenic is effing legit. You know, I am a sucker for ease of use, and Sologenic is that for me. Exactly, man. That's all that matters, is trying to find... That's really, you know, outside of just, you know, just wanting to hang out with the Blue Crew and everything like that, is just trying to find projects that do exactly that. It's trying to find projects that are easy that we can actually participate in because we love crypto, right? So, you know, the easier it is to get crypto, to get NFTs, to trade, or do whatever we want with them, you know, the better. right? So we're just trying to find all those platforms like a Sologenic Dex, like a Magic Eden, like an Uptick Network NFT, whichever one, as long as you're able to mint NFTs cheaply and buy them easily. It's all about that ease of use, because then that's what most people are going to probably want to do, right? I'm surprised that there's still a lot of people who are jumping through a ton of hoops to get NFTs on OpenSea or to use MetaMask through Ethereum and using the Ethereum, and dealing with Ethereum gas fees and stuff like that. Hell, man, I've said this plenty of times. I haven't used anything Ethereum based or, MetaMask or anything like that for about a good year and a half. And same thing, pretty close to a full year with Binance. Now, I can't even remember the last time I even used Binance to get a crypto. I've either used KuCoin, Osmosis Zone, Jupiter Aggregator, right? I could show you guys all these. So if you're like a Solana person and you have a Phantom wallet, Jupe Aggregator is probably where you want to go to get like the quickest swap on a crypto, right? Because you can just enter anything and it'll probably find it within the Solana ecosystem and it'll make the trade happen for you, which is really cool, right? Like it gives you these options here. You can see them right here. Radium versus to Serum. Like it lets you know the route that it would take to get it done. And then what gives you the best deal, the top 2 best deals, right? You get more as well. Rango Exchange is really interesting for a lot of cross-chain, multi-chain DEX aggregating. It's an up-and-comer in my opinion. You can connect numerous amounts of wallets, MetaMask, Kepler, and have them all signed on at the same time. And you'll be able to go in and out of BNB to Ethereum to BTC to Atom to AVAX to... well, I don't know if Solana's on here actually. I don't want to jump ahead of the gun there with Solana. But you guys get the gist. So I think Rango's an interesting one. And these are all decentralized exchanges so far that I've shown you, right? Osmosis Zone for the Cosmos ecosystem is out of this world. Great user experience on this one, right? And really good user, like top-notch user experience on Jupiter Aggregator. Just simple sign in, swap, done. Pretty close there to with these other two. And what was the third one that I was talking about? Rango. Oh yeah, outside of using Binance, right? And then KuCoin. KuCoin's a centralized exchange for sure. But out of the decentralized exchanges, I happen to like those. You could get most of the cryptos you need through just these 3, really. Sif Chain Finance is another good one. It's a bridge between the Cosmos ecosystem and the Ethereum, right? I've been really liking this just combo of Kepler and Phantom wallet. Hopefully soon we get a Xumm web extension or a Bifrost web extension. Maybe those already exist and I'm just late to the game. But just that ease of use. Select your wallet, bam, click on it, you sign in, done, right? Not all these other extra hoops that you have to jump through or anything like that. Making sure you're connected to the right network or anything like that, right? It's just simple. Click on the wallet, sign in, right? So I would have to sign in on my Phantom here, but once I do, select, bam, Phantom. You sign in automatically, you can get a freaking NFT and store the NFT on that wallet. Yep, Cosmos lets you swap to Luna, Secret, and Chronos. Exactly, Sniff. Exactly, my dude. I've been using Photon Swap. Chronos network is legit. I like Cosmos too. Nice. I got to check out more about this Chronos and Photon Swap. Kind of stuck with a big fat bag of Solo. Hopefully it pays off. Hey man, legendary. Dude, if you're holding through, man, I hope the best. Seems like Solo's good. Hey, if it's any, if you're, if this is any inclination, David Schwartz has said he's holding on to his Solo, so, or that he still holds on to the Solo. I don't know if he's going to continue to, but he says he still holds it from the airdrop. I heard the cheapest Bored Ape is 200k. Is that true? Sniff, I don't know. I never got into the Bored Apes club. I became aware of it just because of all the hype and what happened with it, but I missed that wave completely. I have no clue. Like, I don't know what the infatuation came with it and why, but there you go. NFTs are nuts. What do you think about what would be the price of Shade? Oh yeah, Shade Protocol if you're staking your secret token. Yeah, you'll probably get some good Shade airdrops for staking your secret. I don't know what the price of Shade is, but there's definitely a lot of hype behind it, especially in the secret community. BitTrue is awesome. I do like using BitTrue. I have been using BitTrue in terms of XRP pairs. I heard there was some complications with somebody in our BLUECREW that, was getting shut out of their BitTrue account. I hope that got resolved, but that's a good one. I forgot about BitTrue. But what I'm just saying is, like, I haven't really used anything Ethereum-based or Binance in a good long time. And I know there's a lot of people who love, for some reason, they really dig the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, and a lot of the NFTs or game stuff that's in it. And a lot of them that I checked out, man, they just seem like really big-time cash grabs, in my opinion. But I wish the best to the Binance Smart Chain community and what's going on there. But the quality of the projects there, in my personal thing, I'm not overly impressed with, but that's just my opinion. Once again, I could be deadly wrong, and Binance could go to $10,000 tomorrow. And Binance coin, it's its own different thing. The coin can go up in price. I'm just saying in terms of the quality of the projects that it's, the applications that are being built on top of it, I'm not too impressed. Liquidity pool just opened tonight on Photon Swap USDC Photon liquid pair for Crow Bank. My coast average is around the price we're at now, Animal 54. Okay, nice. Not bad. Do you have any recommendations to track our coins in the Cosmos? On how to track your coins in the Cosmos? What do you mean track your coins? Like tracking their prices and what's going on? Have you heard of the Map of Zones? Map of Zones is a really cool one just to get like a really cool visualizer of what's going on in the... Whoa, dude, they've gotten 10 more projects since the last time we checked it out. It was around 27 active zones. Now they're at 38. We do expect that they'll be over 100 before the end of the year, and that could be already just really small. Like that's already, like they're at 38 right now. So I'm saying they're going to be at 100 by the end of the year, but it looks like they can definitely be at 100 plus in the IBC ecosystem, guys. And we were here since day one, man. That's awesome to see this tremendous growth in the Cosmos ecosystem, without a doubt, man. Without a doubt. Look at that. It's so tiny, too. You just keep zooming out, and it just gets smaller and smaller in that space, man. It's just ever expanding, dude. The launch of IBC was the big bang of the Internet of Blockchains. Slowly growing more and more. Not all of the projects on here are the best, but they all have very unique use cases that they're going for. And some of them definitely stand out more compared to others, Like Juno, obviously, interoperable smart contracts for the Cosmos ecosystem. Stargaze, what it's doing. Sif Chain, Omni-Chain Dex, Akash, decentralized cloud marketplace, right? IrisNet and what they're doing with the blockchain service network, Kava. What's Magic Ticket? What the heck is this? Magic Ticket NFT for active wallets on Magic Eden. Holders will receive access to Magic DAO. Oh, snap. What? No way this is real. Magic Ticket? Are you kidding me? Man, some people are trying to sell this straight up for 3 SOL. So what happens? Magic Ticket NFT for active wallets on Magic Eden. Holders will receive access to Magic DAO. I wonder what does that even mean? Like, what can you even get? How long would it take for you to get your money back from the initial investment in the DAO? Oh wow, they got Degen Magic tickets. What's the peak one? Let's see what the highest price one is. Wow. Yeah, somebody's trying to sell it for 1,000. Yeah, good luck with that, dude. So they have Magic Ticket OGs. They have an OG level of ticket. Okay, so that's their highest level. And it's looking like it's pretty damn expensive. Is it a surprise NFT with a surprise true value? Yeah. GDLT, can you look for BCH? Yeah, sure, Metaverse. Here's a wrench, man. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Please use it wisely. Welcome to the Blue Crew, my dude. Everybody welcome Metaverse to the Blue Crew. You want to check out Bitcoin Cash? We don't have it on the list. We might as well add it. We're not really bullish on this one, but... Oh, we have it on the list. Okay. We're not really bullish on this one, but... You know, if there was a time to pick up a crypto on the low, this would be one of those ones, man. Bitcoin Cash has been a forgotten soldier. It's been around for a long time. It's still doing its thing. It's not the best crypto, you know, but could be catching it at a low here, man. Stock RSI is showing great opportunity right here. The whole chart. Like, we are in dramatic lows here, but still higher than the previous lows. I think you're probably well past the 78.6 at this point. Let's do a fib from the low in March of 2020 to the top. Oh, what just happened there? Did it just move my RSI indicator? Oh no. How did I do it? I don't even know how I grabbed it, but... Oh, here we go. Alright. So yeah, as we could see, stock RSI looking great. MACD, selling pressure is eased up. You guys hear me saying this a lot because those are the combinations I'm looking for, man. If you get a combination of MACD, selling pressure easing up, stock RSI about to turn the corner, you could be ready for a nice relief rally right here. This could be a double bottom situation, actually, for BCH. Not a bad call here, Metaverse. Not a bad call at all, man. If we can get the pivot right here for BCH, could be some good opportunities right here. Definitely hitting critical support zones, like last resort support zones right here for BCH. So if you're finding a bottom, you probably have found it. And this is it. So huge volume has been entering, huh? Yeah, man. I mean, it's not looking bad. It's not my favorite crypto to be going into, but it's not a bad one. You know, it's in terms of the opportunity here that could be had. I mean, you're talking about a high if we get it. If you're starting this journey out, the high could be up to at least about 2,500, which is utterly absurd. Utterly absurd. I don't think we're going to see that for BCH, to be honest, but I could see BCH going up to about 700. Like, that could be a hell of a journey already in itself. From 281 to 700, that's not a bad relief rally at all. But yeah, if you break past that, you might have a chance of going, yeah, 1,776 and then 2,000 plus. And if it could get up to there, then, you know, we have to rethink what we think of BCH for a little bit, right? This is definitely the time to be, you know, if you know something about BCH that we don't, or if you're just trying to find a good opportunity, and it doesn't matter what crypto really it is, you're just looking at the chart and hoping for a relief rally, this could be one of those. Definitely looks tempting, man. Definitely looks tempting to get some BCH. I'm liking the way that chart looks. But there's a lot of charts like this that are matching these indicators, right? There's a lot of charts like this. When you have the whole market going up and down together, it's a lot of charts. But BCH not looking too bad, man. That was a good call out right there, Metaverse. Zap, my lord, man. We thought Zap was already dead at the bottom. at 1 cent. Now it's at 0.006, guys. This is either a tremendous opportunity for this blockchain or this project, or, you know, it's just done, right? Zap could be done. Basically 100% retracement from its all-time high. This is another crypto like a BCH where it's like you're trying to catch it at its worst moment right here, right? This is the time to be greedy. If you have a lot of faith in the Zap project and you're, you know, person who wants to keep following what Zap's doing, you still haven't you haven't created a newer low, right? And you have a chance here to pivot from historical lows. And it could happen. Who knows? Who knows? All I know is Zap continues to build. We keep hearing more info from their team. Flare Networks has partnered up with them. Could be something going down here with Zap. Keep an eye out for it for sure. I mean, when you start seeing these cryptos in the 90% down in the past year or 50% down, some of them could legit be dead. Like, we might have to retire Netbox here, you guys. I think I'm just going to retire it right now. Even though I love using the browser, I'm still making Netbox coin. Can't do anything with it, right? So I might have to just jump back to Brave browser and just abandon ship on Netbox here, which is very sad to just admit the loss, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Can't believe Venus has gone down to $8.26. This is another crypto to possibly be taking advantage of a low. Very risky though. I don't really believe in this project, but you know, it's one of those, if you're a Binance person, this might be something that's appealing to you. You know, right? It was one of those OGs of the Binance Launchpad. Had its day. Tremendous volatility. But now down to testing, you know, historical resistances as support. Long term. While back. Could have already made its pivot right here too, right? If we can be if we're establishing higher lows right here, this could be a new journey to begin for Venus, if you believe in it. Very low supply crypto though, by the way. 30 million total supply, 826. All-time high was at $147 for Venus. Guys, thanks for the 15 viewers, the 13 likes. You guys are amazing. What's up? Yeah, just looking for opportunities, guys. These are the times to not be like sad and, you know, scared to be, you know, at least in my opinion, it's not the time to be scared with your money. This is the time to be very, very greedy, is taking advantage of cryptos either hitting previous lows or trying to establish, you know, higher lows, right? Like what we were seeing there with XRP. Let's take a quick look at AKT really quick, because it looks like AKT could be on the verge of dipping under $1, which is probably one of the best values in my opinion. You're well past the 78.6 here on AKT. Very sad to see. We have expected this dip below this trend line. It has happened, but we definitely need a recovery here. Definitely need a recovery. I think the worst that it could get, man, this would be such a fall for grace for AKT, but we got to hope that it could bounce at around 97 cents and keep staying above $1. This is very sad to see what has happened here with AKT, man. And yet, so many projects are built on top of the decentralized cloud marketplace that Akash is building. Like Jitsi, like Osmosis Zone, right? Just to name a few. And like Strange Clan, which is an NFT marketplace building on it. Helium miners are hosting on the decentralized cloud marketplace. A lot of the Cosmos miners are running Kava. So this is a real project that's just looking like it's trying to give itself better and better, you know, more and more opportunity. We're at the bottom of the stock RSI. If there's a time to be buying an oversold AKT Akash is probably right now. Share Ring under a penny looks like a good value right here. One of those blockchain service network cryptos to keep an eye out for. RSR, right? What else do we got, man? Just so many damn good cryptos out here. Nano, Zilliqa, ICX. Anchor Protocol has been up 8% past 24 hours. Not bad. Yeah, PAC has been up 39. Smartland's up 9%. Anchor Protocol. Anchor Protocol is doing some good things in the past 30 days for sure. Look at that. Up to 248. Where was it? You know, it was at 224 about 24 hours ago. Not too bad. Pretty damn good gain. Showing some signs of life in a bearish trend. I don't think this really means anything for Anchor Protocol, but it's encouraging to at least see some good movement. IDO up 142% in the past 30 days. I wonder, I forgot who brought up IDO to us. Interstellar Domain Order. Can anybody remember who brought up IDO? Did you use Into the Block before? What's Into the Block, my dude? A DAO-based metaverse landing ecology until it is destroyed to the same amount as Bitcoin. Interesting. I have no clue what IDO is all about. I'm sure that's something that was the BLUECREW randomly came up with. Let's see what's going on in the past hour. Let's see if we're getting any pivots, at least right now, for some cryptos. Shout out to the BLUECREW, by the way. Have you heard of Umi? Yep, I've heard of Umi. That's another Cosmos ecosystem project I'm excited about. Jasmy at under 2 pennies right now. I mean, this would be a time to be getting in on a bottom on Jasmy, too, if you believe in the long term of that project. BlueZell, we like BlueZell. BlueZell starting to show a little bit of life as well. Spell Token, we've been liking the Spell Token. Dragon Chain at 5 cents. My lord, man, what happened to Dragon Chain? This has got to be close to a bottom for Dragon Chain here. Yeah. If there's any hope of a pivot right here for Dragon Chain, man, it has one of the longer term support trends here. This would be it. This could be the time of a, you know, double bottom right here for Dragon Chain. We saw buying pressure already come from this area before. Stock RSI is looking for a pivot here, guys. There could be some bullishness coming for Z Dragon. We are waiting on that long-term journey, man. Just keeps accumulating it around this zone. What's it going to do? Long-term decision for Dragon Chain to be made very soon. Kava below $3 is a good entry. Certainly, certainly. Let's check out where Kava's at. I mean, it has such a low supply as well. That's what's so crazy with it. Can't believe it's under $3, but hell, man, could be a nice opportunity. Like, there's opportunities aplenty in the space here. You guys just, you know, if you got one coin that you really like more than the others, I'm sure it's looking like a good opportunity right now. So yep, right here with Kava, we had a full retracement, still around the 78.6 from our low to our high on the grand scheme of things, still around that 61.8, still creating higher lows. Still accumulating at around this range. Looks like this area has been an accumulation area. Right? Getting very, very close to the long-term support trend. Hopefully we can bounce off there. It's indicating the low could be at around 250. Yep, 288. That's crazy. It's coming all right. Benny V, dude. It's got to, dude. Stock RSI is getting ready to turn the corner. And selling pressure has just been plenty. And the sentiment is super bearish in the markets. We got to be due for a pivot sometime soon. Especially if we have hopes of continuing this bull cycle, man. We always come back to that. these things have to happen. We have to keep establishing higher lows and higher highs in order for the hopes of a continuation of the bull run. It's just common sense, right? And I got some Dogelon. All right, right on, man. I hope it does well. But yeah, guys. So at the end of the day, you know, the reds are looking tremendous. If you guys have faith in some of these coins, you know, I don't think it's a bad buying day, in my opinion. But once again, I'm not telling you what to do. Not a financial advisor, not a pro trader. But a lot of times, people are really scared to use their money when they're seeing a wall of red like this, and the BLUECREW starts licking their chops, especially for the major cap cryptos, man. Like things like XRP, Sol, Link, Atom. You know, I'm Algorand, XLM. I'm really liking the opportunities that are being presented here. TRX at around 6 cents. You know, TRX is actually holding up decently compared to what's been going down in the market in the past 24 hours. Young Kuda shorts, we are fucked. No, we're not, man. Come on, man. Not pivoting for a few weeks. Dude, there's got to be a short-term relief rally, my dude. There's got to be a short-term relief rally. We're at the chart, like, screw what our emotions are saying, dude. The charts are saying a different story, that either next week or, you know, March 7th plus, somewhere around there, we should be getting a very nice relief rally, at least a short-term relief rally. I'm not saying moon, right? But we should be getting a pretty good short-term relief rally. But that's just my opinion, of course. COSV goes live on Bitmart tomorrow. I sent my Venmo money on XRP today, and it just dipped more, shaking my head. Oh, man. Yeah, that's tough, dude. It's tough when you buy and it dips more. That's for sure, my bro. But we're long-term on this thing, right? Putin is controlling this, bro. I wouldn't be surprised, man. But what I'm saying is, you know, for the quality cryptos that we're looking into, man, whether it's XRP or something else, we'll see. I'm not saying I have faith in Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin, you know, this could be the moment where, you know, we start seeing 99% of the cryptos just starting to die out, and then the ones that actually have real utility, have real quality actually rising to the top. But we've been saying that for about a couple of years now, right? And you know, back then XRP was at around 20 cents, so I ain't complaining with the 68-cent XRP. Atom and Osmo, baby. Gotta love the Cosmos ecosystem. Young Kuda shorts, by the way. Here's a wrench, dude. Please use it wisely. With the wrench comes great responsibility. Appreciate the discussion, though, my man. I mean, once again, you know, it's just it's just a discussion, right? We're just all speculating here. We're all speculating here. But anyways, man, thank you guys so much for tuning in for another late night DLT live stream. We're going to be heading out here. Thank you guys so much, man. Love the BLUECREW, love the Green Giants, and Captain Redbeard. Let's just check out this link really quick here, my man. Thank you so much for tuning in. Crown Sterling, a new paradigm of personal data sovereignty. Missions to enable individuals to claim, protect, and control their personal data. Like, we haven't heard that one before. We've heard that same jargon from a lot of crypto projects. But, you know, getting in on the ground floor on something like this, you know, that could be pretty interesting, man. I don't know too much about their connections, but if Redbeard's shouting it out, man, it must be a pretty interesting time to at least speculate on the launch of it and then maybe try to sell at a pretty nice top, right? Personal data sovereignty is their mission. From quantum proof encryption products to a novel blockchain-enabled and tokenized ecosystem, Crown Sterling is transforming digital security with its non-integer-based algorithms that leverage machine learning and irrational numbers. Very interesting, man. Dude, shout out to Redbeard for doing the research and trying to find these opportunities like this, man. Thanks for sharing. Try to look into it a little bit more. Another great stream, G. Red Dog Leader. Appreciate you, man. Shout out to the BLUECREW. Thank you, Green Giants. And farewell, Ledger citizens. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, BTC community, XRP community, DLT community, crypto communities, BLUECREW, and all the communities out there. The future is distributed ledger technology, and the future is bright. Our future is bright. I'll see you guys in the next one. Shout out to the Blue Crew. Shout out to the Green Giants. Farewell, Ledger citizens. Keep the eye of the tiger. I'll see you guys soon. Adios.